Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to load a straight razor. Let's get into it. Alright guys, what we got here is our razor blade handle and our razor blades. I'm going to teach you guys how to open the razor blade. This is called a swing lock. What it does is applies pressure to the two blades that holds the actual razor blade in order for it to keep it tight so it doesn't move. All you have to do is pull that back and put your nail here to separate the two holders. There's a magnet here. There used to be two to hold it in place as you put the blade in there. Next, what you're going to do is go ahead and snap these two in half. Make sure, I'm going to show you guys how to do it without the paper. Make sure you guys don't do this. This is only to show you guys how to do it. What you would do is hold them like this and you would snap it. Listen to that. Separate them. You're going to put them on those two little the biggest, I'd say, U's, or U shapes. Put it right there, and you're going to go ahead and lift that up and close that, and you're going to close the swing lock just like that. Now I'm going to show you guys in real time steps 1, 2, and 3. And that is how you load a straight razor. Make sure you guys smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.